Hey everyone, it's Teresa from InVideo, and I've got a trend alert for you today. This is the 27 photos TikTok trend.
Add 27 photos to this sound and let it sync.
This is a super fun and very popular trend, and in today's video I'm going to show you the exact steps you can follow to recreate it using a free, ready-to-use template. Not just that, but if you stick around to the very end, I'll also show you how you can use this trend for your brand or business. Let's jump right in. To create this trend, first you're obviously going to need 27 photos. When it comes to the photos you choose, there are a few different ways you could go about it. Some people just take the last 27 photos from their camera roll to kind of highlight the random things they've done throughout the last few days. You could also go with some kind of theme. For example, if you recently went on a vacation, you can do 27 photos from that trip, or you could do 27 photos from a concert you went to or something like that. Or like in this example, you could do 27 photos that represent your job. So pick out your theme, then pick your photos, and then the only other thing you need is a short video clip for the intro. This only needs to be about 4 seconds long, and this can usually just be a video of you looking into the camera. Or if you did decide to go with a theme, you could pick out a video that fits your theme, like a short clip from your vacation or something along those lines. Then once you've got your assets gathered, your next step is to click the link in the description that will take you right to the template. Go ahead and click Use this template, and that will open up the InVideo editor. And when the editor opens up, you'll see that all the scenes are already in place, the music is already in place, and the scenes are already synced up to the music. So if we play this here, you'll see it just plays the sample version. So now what you're gonna do is just replace the images that are in here now with your own assets. So go ahead and upload your 27 photos as well as your short intro clip. And then the first scene is where you're gonna put the video clip. So go ahead and drag it on top of the video that's already there, and then select replace. Then select trim video to fit scene and hit done, and there you go. So that's really all you have to do for the intro. If you wanted to, you could also change the color of the title or the font, but that's not required. All right, and then the second scene here is where all of the photos are. So what you can go ahead and do is click timeline. Now you can see all the photos individually. You can zoom into them, and now starting at the beginning, start dragging your own photos on top of the sample photos, hitting replace each time, and then just keep going with all 27 photos. And there you have it. Once you have your video and all of your photos in place, you can go ahead and preview your video and export it. And just like that, you have a video that you can take live on TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Now that you've seen the overview of how to create this video, let's go over some cool ways that you can use this for your brand or business. The first example is a product launch. If you're launching a new line of products or a new collection, maybe for the new season, you can go ahead and add photos of 27 of your new products to this template. And then you could go ahead and change the title at the beginning, and you're going to want to add a call to action at the end. And that would look something like this. You could also do 27 customer photos, so maybe photos that customers have shared in their reviews on your website, or photos that customers have tagged you in on social media. Get permission to use those photos, and then go ahead and add this to the template. This is a really cool way to celebrate the ways that your customers are using your products. One more example, you could do just 27 photos that show off your brand's overall aesthetic. People love watching aesthetic videos on TikTok, so this could work really well. You can stage your products or create mock-ups and then add those photos to the template. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and let us know in the comments below what trend you would like us to cover next. And be sure to check out this video where we go over the top TikTok trends of 2021 that every brand can use, and we give you some ready-to-use templates in that video as well. I'm Teresa with InVideo, and I will catch you in the next one.